Hello, it is Wednesday, December 28th, 2011 at 27 minutes past midnight. And I'm still exploring these areas that say it's snowing, but it's not. If you turn on the weather view here, I'm in telecast, you can see like right here where the blue is, it's supposed to be snow. You can look down here as the legend. Turquoise is supposed to be light snow. And an example is here is in Wood Lake, Minnesota. It's saying overcast right here, yet it's showing snow on the radar. So I went over here and checked out these little spots over here, and they actually say light snow here in Dearton, Michigan, and let's see if I can get it to go down there. My mouse is being sticky. And here in Gaylord, Michigan, again we're showing light snow. So I went to College of DuPage to check it out. And in addition to these, well, even here on Intelligast you can see it, that the snow looks kind of streaky. You see it, it's like in a line form rather than being just a field. Let me shut this here. Just a field of blue. Although this could be lines, but they'd be really big ones. And so when I went over here to College of DuPage, you can see that they're really stringy. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Well, let's get a time. We're looking at on December 28th, about 3 to 6 UTC. And going in here and looking. And what else I thought was interesting was that there's just snow right here. There's no snow. The Doppler radar, the center is right here, and the one here is right here. This is Marquette, Michigan, and this is Gaylord, Michigan. And there's only snow around the Doppler station. There's something here, but that wasn't showing on Intellicast. Not really, anyway. Back over here, and then also over here, this is La Crosse, Wisconsin. We've got a harp ring that breaks up. You can see right here that it's a solid ring. It's got solid edges, and then all of a sudden that breaks away. And it's not just the system moving through, because it just kind of falls apart all at once, it looks like. Anyway, let's go look at the next rad sites of these locations. This is La Crosse, Wisconsin, where what I call a harp frequency ring. You can see right here, there's nothing moving in, but yet there's a solid line of stuff moving through. And they say this is the edge of the radar, but you can see that it just kind of breaks up at some point. Well, that's not totally true, because here it is down here a little bit. I don't know, something's going on. And then also we're getting this, what I call stardust effect. I mean, there is some scatter that should be showing up, but not like this, the intensity of it, even in clear mode. So let's go look at the two areas with the snow. Let's go look at Marquette first. It's right there. And again, we have the radar in clear mode, even though it's raining. Well, excuse me, snowing. And it's snowing in stripes. That's not right. And you can see that right here it's a little denser for some reason than the rest of it. Here's the scale down here, so you're looking at pinks and whites in here. So you're looking at the top of the scale kind of in this area, and this is more down in this range. Well, it goes pretty much the full range, down in the greens anyway. But that is just weird that it would be snowing right over the Doppler radar, because I mean it can read out here too, and then there are other there are other radars around here that overlap that should be picking something up. So something's going on there. Let's go look at the Gaylord. It looks the same. Just strings, lots of strings. These are kind of like the snake clouds, only in what is saying snow form and just only over the Doppler. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it better. That is just crazy. So something very odd is happening with the radar tonight, or it's just this storm. Well, it's not really a storm even because everything's kind of patchy. Going back to telecast, I mean, you see these two spots, and then you've got this over here. Well, let's see if it's snowing up here. It says overcast. Felton, Minnesota. Here we got light snow. Alvarado, Minnesota. Well, let's go look at it on the next rad. That was about up in here. Fargo. Yeah, and that looks kind of stringy also. So anyway, there you have it. I'm not sure what's going on, but it's not, it does not look very normal. I don't know, do we know what normal is these days? God bless you. Have a good rest of the evening.